Let's continue with this expression. We have 2x brackets x plus 4, bracket, plus 5x bracket 3x minus 2. So it's going to be 2x times this term, x, and this is 2 times x, and then times x. And remember, with when we did powers or indices, if we have x times x, it's x times itself 2 times. So we can write it like this. So I'm not going to write it out like this. I'm just going to write 2x2. That's how we say it, 2x2. And then 2x times 4 is 8x plus 5x times 3x. 5 times 3 is 15, and then x times x is x2. X index 2. But we just say 15x2. And then 5x times minus 2. The sign is going to be minus. And then 10x. Now let's simplify this. We have, let's find the like terms. We have x2's here. We have x2's here. Here we have x, and here we have x. So let's put all the x2's together. We have 2 x2's and 15 x2's. And that's 17 x2's. Plus, and then we have 8x minus 10x. It's going to be minus 2x. Minus 2x. So we can simplify this expression to this expression. Let's do another one. So we have x bracket x2 minus 3x plus 1 plus 2x bracket x2 plus 2x minus 4. So within these brackets we have 1, 2, 3 terms, and here we have 1, 2, 3 terms within these brackets. But it's going to be the same procedure, so we just take this x times x2. There's going to be x times x times x, which is x times itself 3 times. So it's going to be x3. And then we have x times minus 3x. It's going to be minus 3 x times x is x2. And then we have x times 1. It's going to be x. Then we have 2x times x2. It's going to be 2 times x, and this is x times x. It's going to be 2x times x times x is going to be x3. 2x times 2x is going to be 4. X times x is x2. 2x times minus 4 is going to be minus 8x. Now let's simplify this long expression. We start with the highest power, the highest index, which is index 3. So x3 to x3. So 1x3 plus 2x3 equals 3x3. Then we have the x2 terms. We have minus 3x2 and we have plus 4x2. Minus 3 plus 4 equals plus 1x2. But we just write plus x2. And then we have the x terms. We have plus x minus 8x is going to be minus 7x. And here's the answer simplified. Let's do a couple more of these. It can be a little trickier when you have a lot of negative terms. So let's see if we can find another tricky one. How about 5a bracket a2 minus 2a bracket minus 3a bracket a2 plus 2a. This is going to be 5a times a2 is 5a3. 5a times minus 2a is going to be minus 10a2. Then we have minus 3a times plus a2 is going to be minus 3a3. Then we have minus 3a times plus 2a is going to be plus, sorry, we had minus 3a times plus 2a is going to be minus 6a2. Now let's simplify this expression. We have the a3 terms. We have 5a3 minus 3a3 is going to be 2a3. Then we have minus 10a2 minus 6a2. It's going to be minus 16a2. So here's the expression simplified.